In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to smoke heaven from T-spawn in Nuke CS2. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So to get up here, you're just going to have to use Control Jump W to get up onto this pipe. And then what you're going to do is stand right in this spot right here. So a little bit to the right of the arrows and a little bit forward towards this silo. You're then going to get your grenade and you're going to aim it kind of where this pipe of the silo intersects with this second pipe. And you're just going to left click throw, and as you can see, just like that, it goes directly where we want it. And that's all you do. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.